I will teach you how to make tiger nut drink, a very sweet and creamy one. First, you need to get these dried tiger nuts. Add some in a clean bowl. I'm using 4 cups. Make sure you check the description for full measurements. Add some water to it. Now cover and leave it to soak for like 2 to 3 days. And make sure you change the water and rinse it well every day. This is what it will look like on the 3rd day. Make sure you clean it well and set aside. Now we need coconut, we need ginger, we need dates and some bananas for extra sweetness. I'm using 2 cups of dates, so you will clean the dates very well with water, then proceed to remove the seeds one by one from everything. If you see anyone that the inside is dirty like this, just wash it with water. There is absolutely nothing wrong with it. If you are using dry dates, you need to add water to the dates after removing all the seed and leave it to soak for some minutes. Scrape off the skin from the ginger. I'm cutting my coconut into smaller pieces because my blender is not that strong. But if you are using heavy duty blender, you don't have to stress yourself cutting into pieces. Now add the tiger nuts into your blender, add coconut, add some ginger, add bananas, then add dates with plenty water. You can also add the water we used to soak the dates. So the amount I put before was too heavy for my blender, so I had to reduce it. So I was blending it batch by batch. I later had to cut the coconut into smaller pieces so that it won't spoil my blender. So I blended everything little by little, batch by batch till I was done. So this is everything. I'll be using my juicer to separate the shafts. So you'll be adding it bit by bit. Using a juicer will help you separate the shaft from the drink very easily and faster. So we are done juicing here. Just look at the amount of shaft that was separated from the drink. This juicer makes it very fast. If you don't have a juicer, you can use your sieve to remove the juice. This tiger nut drink is a very healthy beverage. This is very rich in fiber, vitamins and minerals. It can also help improve digestion, and it is also a great alternative for those who are lactose intolerant. It can also be used to boost libido as well. This drink is very milky and refreshing. You don't even need to add sugar because it's naturally sweet. You can add the remaining in bottles and keep in the fridge immediately. It can last up to 4 days in the fridge and up to about 2 weeks in the freezer. Thank you for stopping by. If you have any question, you can drop in the comment section. Hey guys, this tastes so good. You need to try it. Just follow my recipe. Follow my recipe and thank me later.